We're going to be doing a hula dance, okay? And you come right up on the stage for me. You guys come right on up here. Alright, dads. You come right up on stage. We're going to be doing a hula dance. Now that's where you use your hands to tell the story. We're going to come right on down here to the front. Right on down here. Let's get our grass skirts. Alright, now before we start, I want to get everyone's name. Sir, your name? Oliver? Gilbert and? Alright, Oliver, Gilbert, and Chad. We're going to be doing a hula dance. That's going to be 2 steps to the right, and then 2 steps to the left. Just follow my hands. Once we get our grass skirts, Elmo's going to start off for us, alright? Right there, right around you? Alright, great. Elmo, if you want to dance with us, you can take away when you're ready. You ready? Here we go. Elmo, it's all yours. Now guys, we're going to start up like this. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Here we go. 1, 2 to the left, shout. Sorry, oh shout. Getting well. Hiding in the sun. Coloring the show. We want to see more of that hip motion, okay? More hips to the right. Here we go. Arms like this. Shining in the sun. Covering the shore. I sleep when my heart tells me I love you more than great job. Let's give these 5 children a big round of applause. Thank you so much for participating. Great job, great job. And to the families in the audience, you're welcome.